Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of updates on the application of Royal Match. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Royal Match and we click here in this page of app. On file we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.